Hello, my name is Masood Ali Khan. I have received conditional offer letter to study MSc Business and Management from Austin University in fall 2025. I was born in Hunza, a valley in Karakoram mountain range in Pakistan. My early education is from Gilgit-Baltistan, where I completed school and college. Afterwards, I completed bachelor's and master's from Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Institute of Science and Technology, Karachi. I completed my entire education through scholarships sponsored by Aga Khan Education Services, Pakistan. I am very passionate to pursue further studies from Austin University, and I am very hopeful that I will be considered for Sir Adrian Cadbury Chancellor's Scholarship, as I come from an average household, and being from a third world country makes my financial resources insufficient to sponsor study abroad expenses.